Hello everyone, myself Mansi Raybole, SYBSc Microbiology. I am from the Fergusson College Autonomous Pune. I am the part of the Scireutopia of the team Super Atom. Name of my project is a Habitual Khemeia. It means chemistry in everyday life. The content, important of chemistry, important of chemicals, application of the chemistry, advantages and disadvantages of the chemistry. What is Habitual Khemeia? Habitual Khemeia is a chemistry in everyday life. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a basically study of a different chemicals. Like C stand for community, H stand for health, E stand for environment, M stand for medicine, I stand for industry, S stand for science, T stand for teaching, R stand for reason, and the Y stand for you. Chemistry is a big part of our everyday life because everything we do is a chemistry. Even our body is made up of chemicals, which is a combination of different elements. Like nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbons, and other elements are also present in our body. Each and every element have a specific percentage in our body. One can find chemistry in daily life, in the food we eat, the air we breathe. In your home, you see that when mom cut the onion, at that time tears are come from the mom eyes as well as who is nearer to her. Why tears begin to fall when cut the onion? The reason behind that is inside the onion cells there are some chemical compounds that contain sulfurs. When we cut the onion, its cells are broken and those chemical compounds then undergo products which are released into the air. These sulfur compounds react with the moisture in our eyes, forming a sulfuric acid, which produce a burning sensation. The nerves ending in our eyes are very sensitive and so they pick up this irritation. Then what is chemical? Chemical is a basically substance that is used in or produced by a reaction involving a changes to atom or a molecule. It means chemicals are relating to a material or a process not commonly found in nature or in a particular product. Chemicals are related to the chemistry. On the slide, you see the picture of banana and one poison bottle. In the banana, there are many chemicals are present as well as the in the poison bottle there are many chemicals are. But the chemicals are in the banana are useful and which chemicals are present in the poison is harmful. When we compare between the banana and this poison, at that time banana has many chemicals as compared to the poison. From that we conclude some chemicals are useful for the human body and some chemicals are harmful. Then choice is in your hand. What we take? Then we will see the water molecule on this slide. In that water molecule, oxygen is present at the middle and hydrogens are outside to the oxygen. In that water molecule, hydrogen and oxygen are a chemical element. Each and every water molecule has a same structure in any type of compound. Therefore, any chemical compound is arranged in a fixed manner and have a fixed properties. Now we will see the application of a chemistry in our daily routine life. The first application is drugs and medicine. Second is the food materials and third one is a cleansing. Now we will see the first application, drugs and medicines. What is mean by drug? Drugs are a chemicals of low molecular masses. These interact with a macromolecular target and produce a biological response. It means all chemicals and natural substances capable of being used for the therapeutic purposes. The most common example of the drugs is a narcotics. What is meant by medicine? When a biological response is a therapeutic and useful, the drugs are called medicines. Medicines are used in a diagnosis, prevention, and a treatment of a disease. Now we will see the Difference between the drugs and medicines. Medicines used to cure the disease. Drugs may be used to cure the disease. Medicines have insignificant toxic effect or side effects. Drugs may have a significant toxic or side effects. In the medicine, after the ailment is cured, there is no addiction among the patient to use this compound again and again. But in the drug, after the ailment is cured, the patient might develop an addiction towards using this compound again and again. Medicine is safe for human body, but drug may be harmful for human body. The most common example of the medicines are paracetamol, cetirizine, aspirin, and the heroin is the example of the drug. Now we will move ahead with the second application of the chemistry is food materials. Chemicals are added to food for their preservation, for their enhancing, for their adding nutritive value in the food. The main categories of food additives are food color, flavor, and sweetener. Many vegetables and fruits are strongly colored. Why fruits and vegetables are strongly colored? Because they contain a specific kind of chemical compound. This compound is named as a carotenoids. These compounds have an area. This area is called a chromophore. This chromophore area absorb and give off a particular wavelength of light, generating the color that we then perceive. This is where the importance of chemistry can be revealed. Now, we will see the most commonly used preservatives include in our routine life is table salt, sugar, vegetable oils. Other food preservative techniques involve combining sugar with alcohol. This combining sugar with alcohol is used in the production of the brandy. And sugar is also used in the salt to preserve certain food, especially fish and the meat. Why we use sugar, salt as a preservative? Why not other? Because sugar acts as a preservative in a controlled watertight environment. Such as a sealed jar, sugar itself attracts a moisture, so water is available moisture in the air. Sugar will attract water and the resulting environment will become more attractive to microorganisms such as is the bacteria. Now we will see the third and last one application of the chemistry is the toothpaste. What are the composition of the toothpaste? Water, fluoride, glycerol, sorbitol, calcium carbonate, sodium monophosphate. These are the common compositions. What is exactly toothpaste? Toothpaste is a substance used with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleaning the accessible surface of the teeth. What people used for the toothpaste before the invention of the Colgate? If we back in the days of the Buddha, it has been recorded that it could use the toothstick from the god Sakka as a part of his personal hygiene. So, what's the toothpaste of the 90s people? These people use sodium monophosphate, color flavoring fluoride agent. And in the herbal toothpaste have gained popularity for the people looking for the natural toothpaste. Or for those who don't want fluoride in their dental cleanness, some herbal toothpaste contain peppermint oil plant. This is extracted from the strawberry. And in the 21st century, what we use, if the trend of the 20th century continue, we should see more toothpaste that brighten the teeth and give us the ultimate brushing and the rinsing experiment. What are the purposes behind the toothpaste? Is cleaning, polishing, removal of the stain on the teeth, reduce incidence of the decay of the teeth, reduction of the oral models. Then we will see the advantages and the disadvantages of the chemistry. The one of the most important advantage in the field of the chemistry was the invention of the plastic. Plastic have replaced many other materials as they handy and economical. Second Another two important chemicals are acids and bases. Acids are present in orange and lemon, which are tangy and sharp, and are also present in frizzy drinks and vinegars, which is used for the digestion of food. And third and last application is baking soda. It acts as a medicine to put on the bee stings, which are acidic in nature. And then we will see the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the use of the excessive plastic has an adverse effect on the environment through plastic are useful. It is non-biodegradable and it is harmful for animals. Second application is the excessive use of the fertilizers can spoil the environment and improper usage can result in the failure of crop in agriculture and is harmful for the microorganisms present in the soil. Then why I am taking this topic for my project? Because chemistry is very important in your day-to-day life. Many of the changes we observe in the world around us caused by the chemical reaction. Even our body is made up of chemicals. Many reactions are happening in our body when we eat, when we breathe. There are many reactions are happening. And also chemistry can help us make day-to-day decisions that affect our body. These are my references. I am taking information from these websites for my project. I hope this information is useful for you. That's it. Thank you so much.